Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can perform the hard reset via the recovery mode on Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is power off our device in order to access the recovery mode. So let's do that. Let's power off, and after it is off, what we need to do is press and hold two buttons, the power button and the volume up button. So press and hold them until we see the Motorola and Android logo on our device. There we go. So now we need to wait a few seconds before we can see the recovery mode. There we go. Now in order to do the hard reset, we need to scroll down to the appropriate option, and we can do that by using the volume down button. So scroll down until you have the wipe data factory reset option over here. You can also scroll up by using the volume up button, and then in order to confirm, we need to press the power button. So do that, and then you need to choose the factory data reset option over here and confirm with the power button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.